Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Hami or Hami, whichever one you want to say. You guys get the point. This project has been gaining a lot of traction in the crypto space. A lot of people are excited about this and calling it to be the next gem that is going to be one of the top performers. And also, I've been getting requests from my viewers to cover this, so I will give my personal analysis on here. So let's get right into it. But before we get into it, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So if we're looking at Hamachi Finance, it is currently trading at 0.000862 cents. It's up 30% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up about 30% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at the market cap is really low, only currently at $15.6 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at about $1 million. But now if we're looking at the overall market, so where is Hami or Hami token listed right now? So it's obviously on SushiSwap or BitGet. So BitGet was one of the first centralized exchanges that came out and listed this token. So now comes the question, are we about to see a lot of other exchanges, a lot of other centralized exchanges such as Binance, KuCoin, Huobi, OKX, all the Bitfinex, are these exchanges about to come and start listing this token and want to be having this token traded on their platform rather than their competitors? Potentially could be a possibility. The more traction this project gets, the better it is going to be. So if we're looking at this project, so what is this project all about? So as you guys know, Arbitrum is one of the next big blockchain, a really hyped blockchain that a lot of people are excited about, and their token obviously is dropping. Also, a lot of people were qualified for the airdrop, so if you got qualified, great. I do believe that coin is going to be quite successful considering the amount of hype factor there really is revolving around there. And I've said this, new blockchain projects are going to gain a lot of traction. There's so many coming. All of these are trying to compete with Ethereum, and this is why I said all these blockchain projects are going to be the ones that do get a lot of attention, which we did see in the previous cycle, which I do think is going to carry over. And Arbitrum is one of the most hyped blockchain projects that is coming about, and I do believe it's going to cause a lot of hype. So Hamachi, yeah, it says it's build a diversified portfolio with Hami or Hami, Arbitrum's first multi-currency reward token. So it's the first multi-reward currency token that is built on Arbitrum blockchain. And if you guys go down, they do have a little bit more information on their website. If you guys want to go check it out, I will leave the link in the description. But it says, what is Hamachi Finance? So Hamachi Finance is a multi-currency and multi-chain reward token. By buying and holding Hami, you are farming rewards and accumulating tokens supported by the Hamachi Finance protocol. These tokens are researched and reviewed by our crypto analyst. What is the benefit of holding Hami? By simply holding Hami, the Hamachi Finance protocol will distribute rewards by the platform directly to you. So this is very interesting. But the main thing that this token is causing a lot of traction is, number one, the market cap is really low, and obviously being one of the first ones on the Arbitrum blockchain, a lot of traction is coming onto this. And I do believe a lot of coins that are going to be launched on Arbitrum are going to be looked on from a lot of investors this cycle. We did see other chains when they launched their projects, whichever was on their projects on those chains, literally went insane in the previous cycle. So we could see that follow about in this. But is Hamachi worth holding? So obviously, one thing I want you guys to keep in mind is, whenever we're looking at projects, obviously low cap, these are extremely low cap coins. So these are the ones with extreme higher risk levels. So, you can make insane gains, but you're bearing more risk. So with these coins, if you are interested, if you have done your due diligence and are holding some, it's might be one of the ones that could be the top performers, in the next coming, short period of time, because you guys can see just on March 14th, since then, it has come up about 321%. And remember, even then, the market cap is really, really low. And I like what they're doing. It is rewarding people. So basically what they're doing is they are looking at different projects. From what my understanding, correct me if I'm wrong, but what I'm thinking they're doing is they're looking into different projects that have high potential. They're investing in it, and whatever reward they're earning, they're distributing it to their holders. So that's what I think the overall use case for this project is, and obviously being the first one on Arbitrum, that is a big plus point. So where could we potentially see this project go, considering the hype factor it's building up? Remember, this hype factor is currently insane, and we're in a bull market, and it's only at $15.6 million market cap. I would not override this by saying that this cannot reach 100 million market cap. I've seen meme coins, literally meme coins that are launching on DEX tools, so PancakeSwap or Uniswap, you guys get the point, that are doing that can go up to 100 million. And with this project, if it really becomes successful and continues what they're doing, a lot of big players in the crypto space are supporting this. But again, that shouldn't be the reason why you want to be even looking at it. If you truly believe in it and you want to have a little bit of a pie in it, like I said, more risk, but the rewards could be insane. 100 million market cap would be about 7x away from there. So that's like a 7x gain that could potentially be made. And if I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, right now we can't really chart this coin too much because not much history behind the charts, as it was just launched at the beginning of the year. But 7x would put this thing at roughly that 0.0066 cents mark. So potentially this coin has a possibility of reaching even 1 cent, and I would not be surprised by that if it continues getting a lot of hype coming into it. Obviously markets continue to pump up towards the upside. Arbitrum token does get listed on all these exchanges, which is going to get listed on literally all the exchanges across the market. I think that could begin like an Arbitrum bull cycle on any tokens that's listed on there that could really be really successful. So long-term perspective, we still have to see how this plays out, but in short term, I'm definitely intrigued. In my personal opinion, again, this is just my own personal opinion that I'm giving you guys. This is not financial advice. This is not sponsored or anything. You know how transparent I am, and I get sponsorship content every single day, emails, and I would never support. If it was really for money, I would be literally shilling every single of these sponsors I get. But no, I only care about something I believe in personally, and that's what I would share with you guys. This project can definitely give gains, and 100 million market cap, to be quite frank with you guys, is not out of the blue. A lot of people are saying this can even reach 1 billion market cap, but again, it's too early to find out. But 100 million market cap would be quite a big gain even from these current price levels. And Bitcoin right now is sitting in 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. You guys know my stance on Bitcoin, especially if you're a regular, if you're on my channel. Bitcoin is looking insane, but there's only a few coins right now that is outperforming the cryptocurrency market, and Hami is one of them. Because look at the BTC dominance, guys. This thing is skyrocketing like there's no tomorrow. So more money is flowing into Bitcoin right now rather than altcoins. That's why altcoins are not seeing those explosive moves. But this is currently my personal thoughts on this. But let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price going. One thing I forgot to tell you guys about is look at this wick that happened just the other day. A lot of people were thought that this is it. The team has dumped their tokens, but this was an OTC trade that went wrong. The person that wanted to buy these OTC scammed the team. But look at the recovery. Look at the recovery. So this should say that this project has steam for itself, but like I said, higher risk, but does have potential gain, like insane gains that could be made. But let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see this project going. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.